In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to swap USDT to SOL on Phantom Wallet. Hey, by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Start by opening up the Phantom Wallet. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and find a swap. Okay? Tap on it. And then once done, in here, just go ahead and find in the drop-down under UPay, of course, go ahead and find USDT. It should be available right here if you have funds for your USDT. If not, as you can see here, it will be the same, no assets. So just basically select USDT in this section. And then once done, under You Receive, tap on the drop down and make sure to select Solana. Okay, tap on it. And then in here, you can go ahead and type down manually the amount that you want to be converted as Solana. Or you could go ahead and choose from these options like 25% of your USDT, 50%, or the maximum USDT. Now let's go ahead and type in manually, maybe 50. The USDT amount right here under UPay will be automatically converted under You Receive. Now all you need to do next is just tap on the button right here where it says Review Order. And then in the next page, there will be a pop-up talking about a slippage setting. If you want to, you can go ahead and set it up manually or just tap on Auto, which is recommended. Okay, once that's done, just hit on Confirm. And in no time, your USDT will be converted to Solana. And that is it. That is how you swap USDT to SOL on Phantom Wallet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.